Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to teach you how you can edit your video for free. Guys, we are doing the free masterclass social media, and we are offering many things, and I guarantee you guys that I'm going to teach you every single thing that you need to know in order to start creating your content and start growing and make money online. And now in today's version we are going to start teaching you how you can start coloring your video, how you can start editing your video, and the features we are going to use. And right now, the only app that I recommended right now that can be used without paying money is called InShot. You see the name here, InShot. Now, to download this app, you will go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, this is Play Store. You will search for InShot. Okay, let me edit it. You will search for InShot. You can see, you will search for InShot. When you search for InShot, you will see this thing that we came out. You see, I don't want you guys to come and download another app that will be telling me it's not mic is not working. Look at the app here, look at it very well. So look at it very, so you will know. If you want screenshot now, you can screenshot them, so you can know the app that you wanted to use. Now my own is showing open because I have downloaded it already. Now if you want to download yours, you will see where it writes install, like the one that is up here. You will see where it writes reinstall. Now you will click on the install, and it will load here. It will count 1 to 100. After that, it will install on your phone, and the moment it install, you will see it like this. Then you will now click, you will now press open. So when you press open, it will bring this interface like this. You can see the way it is. So in order to edit your video, so you can see we have 3 features here. We have edit video, we have photo, we have collage. All these three things are useful. Now in order to edit your video, which you have, I believe, by you will create your video. In order to edit your video, you will press video. Now when you press video, you will press new. You can see, press this plus sign. You can see that. So you press the plus sign, then you will now look for video that you want to edit, the one that you just created. Now I'm going to edit this my video. You can see I'm going to edit my video. Let me just view it. Sorry. Let me view it. Now I'm going to my see the video. Now let me pause it, make it not make noise. So this is the video, and right here you will see InShot watermark. Do you understand? This is InShot watermark. Now if you open your data, you can only remove this InShot by view ads. You understand? Let me show you. They will not ask you to do what? To view ad. You now see, when you click on free remove, they will not show you ad. You understand? They will show you ad, but there is a trick to remove this thing without watching ad, okay, which I have done. So next time you want to do this thing, make sure your data is not on. Once you press that thing, it will just go. It will just roll. Then it will remove. It won't have watermark when you export your video. Now let's come to first thing that we are going to do. Let me show you the feature around. Number 1, we have Canva. Look at it. We have Canva here. Today I may just show you the features around, then tomorrow the next video will continue. Number 2, we have audio. Let me show you. Number 2, we have audio, we have sticker, we have text, we have effect, we have filter. You understand? So for this Canva now, if you want to change the Canva, you will the Canva is something like, let me show you. When I click on the canvas, you see it brings me a lot of this thing. Now if you want to change how the video look, now let me show you something. When I press 1:1 ratio, you see that it's changed the look of the video. When I click 4.5, when I click 9.16, When I click 16.9, you can see that it brings the video back. You can see these are the different ratio that you can use as a content creator. You understand? So just pay attention. I'm going to teach you every single thing. Now, the audio one is when you want to add, if you have music that you want to add to your video, you now click audio. You now click When you click audio, you now see this place. You now click music. So you see music. When you press music, you can select any music that you want to use. Meanwhile, mind you, all this music that are here, all this music all this music, they might have copyright. So all this one, they might have copyright. You see all this one that is here, you can use them but don't be surprised, they might have copyright. You understand? So if you have your own that you believe that it doesn't have copyright, you will just come to your my music. When you come to my music, you click on my music, you will now look for your own. You can see these are the music that are in my phone. You will now look for your own that you believe that it doesn't have copyright. You will now press on it. Once you press on it, you will click, you press, sorry, you will now press plus. You see the plus right there. You see the plus. You can see that the music has come to my timeline now. If I play the music, you will see that the music will be playing. Now, let's assume the music is too high and you want to lower the music. You can just you can see, click on volume. You can see volume here. Oh, sorry. You can see volume here. Look at it. There is volume here. Here. You can see volume. When you click on volume, you can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume. You can see the way I'm moving it, right? Decline. So, and if you don't want the music to play at all, you can just draw it back. You see, please like this video, share and comment. I'm teaching all these things for free because I don't want anybody to say, Michael promised also, but he's not teaching us anything. So I'm teaching it from scratch now. So you won't blame me that I'm the one that is not teaching you. So now, after that one, the next thing I want to show us is sticker. Now the sticker is, you can see when I press the sticker, I press sticker. Look at sticker here. Don't tell me you don't see it too. I'm trying my best to show you that how this thing work. Now that sticker, when you press a sticker, you have many things here. You can see, you can see, you can see. You have many sticker here. So like if you are looking for follow button, you see follow button. If you are looking for subscribe, that subscribe where you dey see for film, where you dey, as you dey watch this film self, you go dey see subscribe. Now be this is how I get it. When you press on it, they will appear. And when your video is playing, make I draw am first. When your video is playing, you will just see that the thing manifests the sinner. So that's how this thing work. The third one that I want to talk about is text. This one, if you want to add text to your maybe you want capture wetin you dey talk, you want do subtitle, yes. If you want do subtitle, you can just type wetin you dey talk, you can just celebrate it. Now in InShot, if your video is under 60 seconds, you can just you can you don't have to type. You can just do what? You can just generate. You can see this one. You can just generate. So you can just do capture. The reason my own is not doing it, okay, let me do capture. So now let me go to here and do capture. They will ask me, is it from video? I will mark from video. You can see now from video. Now you see that the from video is marked. Look at it too. Don't come and tell me you don't know what I'm doing. So look at it here. So this is episode 1. I'll be still coming to do 2. I'm still coming to do 3. I'm still coming to do 4. I'm coming to do 5. I'm coming to show you every single thing in them. Now you now press. You must have your data on while doing this one. You want to do up to capture. You know. press this. So if your time don comot, they can tell you to okay to unlock one, you can just watch ad. Because when I finish watching the ads, you will now see that my video, my captions are being generated. Look this. Right. You can give them, you can do anything that you want to do. So if you want to change them, you can just come to, you press the one that you want to change, you come to edit, you see the edit there. You see the edit there, look at it, see edit here, see edit here. You click on it. When you click on it, now you will, when you click on it, you will have this feature here. You have this feature here. Now this one, you can, sorry, you can click on this one, click on this one. You can use this one to change the, change all the, change everything you want to change. So this is how you want them to appear. You can use it to change the appearances. You understand? So this one, you can use it to change the color. You can see, you can see, you can see. You can change the color to anything you want the color to be. And the next one is, you can change the font. You understand? You can just stay in the, you can see that the font they are changing. Now the next one is whether you want it to be bold. You can see this one is bold, this one is, if you want make it bend like this one is, if you want make get underline. You can see all those things that I'm pressing now. You can see if you want make it be capital letter, if you want make be small letter, if you want make the thing curve, look at it. You can see, if you want make it go, you can see the way all these things, if you want make it dey like a love. So all these things are features. Now if you want make it big, you can see, you can see, you can see. So you can see all these things are useful. You can see, you can just go and test it by yourself and see what is happening there. And now the next one I want to show you before I round it this one up is you maybe see some video whereby this thing will be typing by itself. This one will be typing by, you can see the way it's typing. It's called animation. It's called text animation. You can see I have a lot of animation here that I can use. You can see different one for your image, for your video. You can just choose anyone you like. Just choose anyone you like, and when you choose them, come to out. You can see out. Click on this no. So boom, your video is ready. Now the next one we are going to talk about is color grading. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can color grade your video that will make it look professional. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next video. This is how content creator and editing video starts. So in order to know how to edit video, you have to go through this processes. Don't think they are nothing. You have to know them. If you don't know them, you don't know what you are doing. So also me, I learned them and I grab it from where I grab it from. So don't forget to like, share and comment. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget we are in video editing section now. I'm teaching you how to edit video. After this one, we will move to graphic design, where you can do your this thing. After that one, I'll come teach you how to set your camera and do everything you want to do. God bless you. Bye bye.